there, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another vehicle at Wheaton Honda.
It's a 2016 Ford Explorer Platinum. That's the top-of-the-line trim for the Explorer, so this big 3-row SUV has all the goodies. This includes keyless entry, push-button start, a factory remote starter, a leather interior with heated and cooled front seats, a heated steering wheel, a dual-panel sunroof, tri-zone climate control, and even power-adjustable pedals. And that's not all. It also has a power liftgate, a backup camera with sensors, power folding seats in the third row, and heated side mirrors. The infotainment center comes with navigation, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and a 500-watt Sony sound system. It has room for the entire family, and advanced safety systems to keep them secure on the road. Things like adaptive cruise control and a lane keeping assist system. There's also blind spot information, cross-traffic alert, and a plethora of active parking assist features. The 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 provides 365 horsepower, which is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, it can handle any driving situation thanks to intelligent 4-wheel drive with the terrain management system.
Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to message me. You can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda and take it for a spin.